Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is your maths lecture, unit number 1. Today we will solve exercise number 1C and page number 15. Student, today our question is 8, that is divide the following numbers by 100. And the value of part A is 18,400 divided by 100. First we will write solution, then we will solve the question. 100, 100, 1804. Now we will divide. 101 is 100, 102s are 200, that is greater value. So 101 is 100. Now we will subtract. 4 minus 0, 4, 8. Next digit is 0. 101 is 100, 102s are 200, 103s are 300, 104s are 400, 105s are 500, 106 are 600, 107s are 700, 108s are 800, 109s are 900, that is greater value. So 108s are 800. Now subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 0 is equal 4. Next digit is 0. 101 is 100, 102s are 200, 103s are 300, 104s are 400, 104s are 400. Subtract 0 and the answer is 184. Now part B, the value of part B is 780,000 divided by 100. Divided by 100, 780,000. 101 is 100, 102s are 200, 103s are 300, 104s are 400, 105s are 500, 106 are 600, 107s are 700, 108s are 800, that is greater value. So 107s are 700. Now we will subtract. 0, 8, next digit is 0. 108s are 800. Now students subtract, remainder is 0. Next digit is 0. We will put 0. And next digit is also 0. We will write 0. And the answer of part B is 7,800. Answer is 7,800. Now part C. The value of part C is 132,700 divided by 100. Now we will solve. 101 is 100. 101 is 100. Now we will subtract. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 0, 3. Next digit is 7. 103s are 300. Now we will subtract. 7, 2, 0. 101 is 100, 102s are 200, 103s are 300, that is greater value. So 102s are 200, 7, 0, 0. 107s are 700 and the remainder is 0. So the answer of part C is 1,327. Answer is 1,327. Yes student, now question number 9. And question number 9 is divide the following numbers by 1000 and the value of part A is 856,000 divided by 1000. 856,000 1001 is 1000, 1002 are 2000, 1003 are 3000, 1004 are 4000, 1005 are 5000, 1006 are 6000, 1007 are 7000, and 1008 are 8000. 0, 6, 5. Next digit is 0. 1005 are 5000. Now we will subtract 0, 0, 6. Next digit is 0. 1001 is 1000, 1002 are 2000, 1003 are 3000, 1004 are 4000, 1005 are 5000, and 1006 are 6000. And the remainder is 0. And the answer of part A is 856. Now part B. The value of part B is 892,000 divided by 1000. 892,000 divided by 1000. 1000's 8s are 8000. Now we will subtract 0, 2, 9. Next digit is 0. 1009's are 9000. Yes student, now we will subtract 0, 0, 2. Next digit is also 0. 1002's are 2000, and the remainder is 0. So the answer of part B is 892. Answer is 892. Now student, part C, and the value of part C is 700,000 divided by 1000. 1001 is 1000. 1002's are 2000. 1003's are 3000. 1004's are 4000. 1005's are 5000. 1006's are 6000, and 1007's are 7000. Now we will subtract 0, 0, 0, 0, and the next digit is 0. Now we will write 0. Next digit is also 0, 0. So the answer is 700. The answer of option C is 700. Understand student? Hope you understand the lecture. If you have any problem in any question, you can ask me in question answer session. Thank you. Today is your home task. Practice question number 8 and 9, exercise number 1C, and page number 15 in good handwriting. Student, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.